Hello everyone, welcome to Biomix Hub. Today we are in the 8th part of the series of video in which we are discussing about the concepts of CSIR life science to previous year questions. In this video we will discuss about the question of molecular biology. Let us have a look with the question. The lac operon in E. coli is controlled by both the lac repressor and the catabolite activator protein cap. In an in vivo experiment with lac operon, the following observations are made. The first is CAMP level are high, repressor is bound with allolactose, CAP is interacting with RNA polymerase. From this, we can conclude that we need a concept of CAMP, repressor and cap. In the previous video, we have discussed about the repressor, but we have not discussed about the CAMP and cap. Today, we will discuss about CAMP and cap. What happens when the concentration of glucose is low, then the expression of CAMP is high and the CAMP cannot work itself. CAMP needs cap. It will always bind with when the CAMP is present, it will bind with the CAP cap. Now what happens? The cap will always be in the inactive form. When it will bound with the CAMP, it will be in the activated form. Now with the help of this diagram, we will understand the concept. See what happens in presence of CAMP and in absence of CAMP. I have told that when the concentration of glucose is low, then only CAMP will express. See in the first condition, in the absence of CAMP, cap does not bind the promoter. Transcription occur at a low rate. Why this cap does not bind to the promoter? Because it is in the inactive form, because CAMP is absent. Why CAMP is absent? Because the concentration of glucose is high. So there is no need of the transcription of these genes LAC-Z, LAC-Y and LAC-A, because this was responsible for the formation of mRNA, by which the protein will be formed which is responsible for the breakdown of lactose. So in absence of CAMP, there will be no formation of mRNA, or the formation of mRNAs will be low. Now see this condition. CAMP cap complex stimulates RNA polymerase activity and increase RNA synthesis. What happens when there is concentration of glucose is low? CAMP will express and it will bind with the cap for activating the cap, because CAMP cannot work itself and the cap will be activated when it will bind with the CAMP. So the cap and CAMP, when they will be complex, they will come and bound to the promoter region. So when they will bind, they will enhance the formation of mRNAs, which is responsible for the formation of beta-galactosidase. Now the third condition. In the presence of CAMP, cap binds the promoter and increase RNA polymerase activity. What happens here? In the presence of CAMP, that means the glucose is low here, it will bind to the promoter and increase RNA polymerase activity, which we have discussed. Now the fourth one. However, even in the presence of CAMP cap complex, RNA synthesis is blocked when the repressor is bound to the operator. What happened in this condition? When the CAMP cap is present and it is binding to the promoter region, still mRNA cannot be produced, because the repressor is bounding to the operator region. When the repressor is bound to the operator region, the RNA polymerase which is present, it cannot cross it. It cannot cross the operator region, due to which it cannot transcribe the mRNAs. Now let us have a look with the question. What happens in the first case? CAMP level are high. When the CAMP level will be high? When the concentration of glucose will be low, CAMP level are high. The next option is repressor is bound with allolactose. If repressor is bounding with allolactose, then what happens? The lactose will be present. Lactose is present because allolactose is produced from lactose, which will bound to the active site of repressor and it will not allow the repressor to bound to the operator region. Now the third point, CAMP is interacting with RNA polymerase. When the CAMP is interacting with RNA polymerase, it is enhancing the work of RNA polymerase, and the CAP is always activated when there is CAMP. Alone CAP is in the inactive form, and when the CAMP is present, it is present when the concentration of glucose is low. From here we can conclude that the concentration of glucose is low. Now let us see the statements for finding our answer. In the first statement, it has given that glucose and lactose are present. No, from this we concluded that, from this 3 point we concluded that glucose is low or it is absent and lactose is present. So the first option is incorrect. The next comes glucose is present and lactose is absent. No, lactose is present here. From B we concluded that lactose is present because repressor is bound to the allolactose. So this is incorrect. Both are absent. No, this is also the incorrect because lactose is present and glucose is availability is low or it is absent. Now the fourth option. We have got the answer, that is fourth option is the correct answer. Still we will discuss this. Glucose is absent and lactose is present. Yes, from this we concluded that, from the B option we concluded that lactose is present, and from A and C we got a conclusion that glucose is present in low amount or it is absent. And thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for further notification.